Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Lever video update for Friday, 5th of August, and we're looking quite, pretty good for Lever at the moment. It seems like it was finally interested to break to the upside, and we do have a technical target coming in for 3631 right over there. So I'm gonna mark the blue line right over here, being the technical target. Now, if you do go up to that particular technical target, then we're looking for lever to basically come up for a 17.75% move to the upside. Now, let's bring in the RSI at the moment, and nothing is there on the RSI. Okay, nothing is there. That was really blank. So what I'm gonna do is remove this line right over there, remove that line right over here as well, and this line right over there. Okay, so we need a very, very clear chart right now, and this is how we're looking at the moment. So what is going on, we're going to get to know something about this thing. Now, there is one more idea that I do have, and this is something different. There could be an issue. There could be one issue. Don't get excited about this thing going to the upside just yet. Don't get excited just yet. The reason why I do say that do not get excited just yet is because sometimes there's something known as range of the wicks. Okay, so I mean, in the if you go some few days before, you were looking for that resistance line going like this, right? You're looking for that resistance line like that one, and that was a pretty much clear a descending triangle. But you might end up coming in another range of the wicks. Now, if you actually bring this up right here, you can even say that it might be looking something like this. And if you do actually count the wick, then it's like you never really broke out of it. And it seems like it's still a descending triangle in the making, and it never really broke out of the descending triangle. And they do this. And by they, I mean the market makers. They like to do this. They like to confuse in the beginning because the pro traders really have to be careful when it comes to trend line drawing. So nonetheless, this is a valid trend line. I mean, you still have three touches here. You have nearly two touches right there, and you have another three touch right here. So that this trend line is really, really valid. Okay, and this can actually play out the negative way, and then you start to come down here, and then you move sideways, and then finally you break to the downside and you don't go back to the upside. So be careful at the moment, and that's it for this quick update on Leverfi. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.